Who is known as the Birdman of India? Salim Ali. How many spokes are there in the Ashoka Chakra on the Indian national flag? (24). Which is the national song of India? Vande Mataram. What language is widely spoken in Kerala? Malayalam. What is the national bird of India? Peacock. Who is known as the father of Indian cinema? Dada Saheb Phalke. Which is the capital of Gujarat? Gandhinagar. Which festival celebrates the victory of good over evil? Diwali. Which is the capital of Jharkhand? Ranchi. Which Indian state is known as the land of five rivers? Punjab.